Hello, Hava is real. Hey, fair use, fair use. In the caboose. This is for criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, education, research. Fair use is permitted. What? Alright. Fair use. Up on the copyright 107. Fair use, fair use, fair use, fair use. I just need to download this. Hey, but about 5 days ago, some dragkhan was sighted. Seen in Dubai. Hold on. Oh, hey. Oh, let me get some. Here we go. Where did I go? Hey, there we go. Now, compare these things to these things up here. Cosa imerita. Cosa imerita. See, that one just disappeared. Right there. And they just come out of nowhere. Into this cloud and out of this cloud. The other birds flew down here, not up here. Woo! Woo! Man, and see, he just flew out of it. See the dragons! UFO is unidentified flying object. They don't want to tell you, but I'm here to tell you. These are dragons. Yeah, I would get a little uneasy if a cloud of dragons showed up over my house. Hold on, hey, who you with? Who you with? You see him? think he was down at the bottom. Ooh. There you go. He right there. He right there. Golly, I can't. And see, he saw him, and he moved up the camera. Woo, yeah, doggy. Just wait until they make their presence over here known. Hey, the Most High ain't playing. The Most High ain't playing. I am and not playing. He said, you with me or you against me? Man, I want to get him. We looking down here. See. See. Ooh, he's skipping. Look at the bottom. I can't move it, or it bring up the thing. And he just floated away. And see, he was watching him because he moved up the camera. Hey, holla at your boy. Coffee and Kush. I made a Kush bean. Oh, Kush bean. Where'd you get that Kush bean from? From a dragkhan. Oh, you see him right there. You see him right there. Yeah, boy. Unidentified fun object. Hey, and what is this over here? But, hey, that's a dragkhan right there. Ooh, you can see something moving inside there. Oh, that big boy right there. That was a big one. That was a big one. And look right over here. All right. That's bigger than this marker. Wow. Eyes to the sky. Hey. I'm about to show you one that was seen in where was it? In Seattle? Yeah. This is crazy. This is crazy. I'm like, wow. My dragkhans. Dang, I wish my video would have showed up a little bit better. And see, look, I'm just gonna show you this video as a reference point where we can gauge what we looking at. We can look at the same image. Come on, man. I showed this video before, but it's good to I love my dragkhans. Hold on. You. Yeah. Damn. It's the slowest. Alright. Now, he's gonna fly right here at the bottom of the screen and go off this way. If I move my cursor, it will bring up to the bar. But hey, look, he's right there. Right there. See him? Right there. But there's gonna be a big one. It's gonna just fly right by here, and they're gonna be all over. They see there's one right there. There's one. Alright, yeah. Alright. There's one right there. I gotta clean my screen. Copyright free music, so shit. Ooh, you see right there? You saw him just fly right down there. Whoop. You see it? Yeah, boy. That was a big boy. Just like that one. Just like in the last video, the last part. His cursor was bigger than this. And see, right there, the thing is bigger than the cursor. Now, if we got hawks and eagles and like other big type birds blowing stuff up, we need to but we can't do nothing about it. Like they can't do nothing about these UFOs or these dragkhans, unidentified flying objects. Unidentified flying objects. Ooh, man, that one's big. That one right there. Oh, we went up there and they all around, like right there. And man, and he was far back. He zoomed up real close, and they were still. I see it falling. Mm. Alright. But, alright. The one, in Seattle. This was Russia. At a gas station. What they was doing in that gas station, what they was, they wasn't supposed to be doing. The Most High said in the Ten Commandments, I will come visit the iniquities of the third and fourth generation that hates me. That hate I am. You better not hate your breath, because the breath, your breath is on the thing that's keeping you alive. It's your breath. Your breath and your the thing that holds you down, the thing that keeps you alive. Boom, 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 boom. Your heart, your breath and your heart. Your breath is coming out your heart. Alright. Come on. Man, and then my uncle sent me a video on Facebook of these people doing the same thing that I did. Showed you what really happened on 9/11. It was in Spanish, but I don't. Well, it was on Facebook, not on YouTube. But I was like, man, I made a video like a year ago. They straight took it down. Saying I was spilling hate speech. I wasn't, man. And see, parallel timeline. I don't know if y'all seen that. Something flew into the moon. Man, I thought I'd be digging. I'd be digging. man, man, I be, man, oh, man, I'm not the only one. The rest of the remnant is waking up too. The only people that's not waking up is other folks. The heathens. the heathens keep on saying, "Oh no, Paul told us about you. You're gonna come with a new gospel." But Paul came with a new gospel. Come on. Man, I wish I could play that, cause man, that I saw King Malachi, Abraham's friend, man. He said he was Abraham's friend. Boy, hey, King Malachi be going off. But he's still, yeah, he's still what it. But only a third is gonna make it. So only a third will come back to I am who I am. Hey. To show you. I found this a year and a half ago. Right after the baby exploded. Man, it's been a long day. Fair use. I'm subscribed to you. Look, what? See, it was about to erupt, and they were just on the island, and then they felt the shake, and so they got off, and they was. I think, yeah, they got hit, but I will show you. Well, you can. Oh, they just added those in. They just added those in. I ain't showed you. Birds don't like fire and smoke. They run away from it. They run away from it. And why in the hell these things is diving in this thing and out of this thing? Come on. they about to show up. No, but this is when they was about to. Oh yeah, when they was leaving, and he's gonna pan back over here. He's gonna pan back over here, and watch. What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh no, that's a reflection. Well, I don't know. Oh no, that's not a reflection. Oh, what was? Oh, what was? I told you, man. These are dragon cameras, man. And hey, ooh, 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 ooh. And don't that look like a face? The eyebrow, the eye, the nose, the mouth, the what's the name? The beard. But you see those two things right there. You boy. Man, did you not, man, this thing was about to blow, and so, I don't, man, hey. But, that thing is moving. Oh, ooh. Yeah. Wow. And he just disappeared. He just disappeared. What? Oh. I didn't see that before. But hey, that looked like a line. Yeah. See, see the mane right here, right here, and that's the mouth, that's the nose, that's the eyes. But I think this is the reflection. This is a reflection, but you see that thing. Yeah. See, oh my. What? Huh? What did we just see? Let me. Cause I was trying to figure out why was he filming over here, and cause I seen the two birds, well the two dragons, fly in and out, But I just seen this big boy. Woo! Woo! Golly! And there's another whoop, and gone. And see, it's about to erupt. It did erupt. And see, they were just walking on it. They was walking on it, and they were like, "Hey, it's about to erupt. I feel some shaking going on." And see, erupted. It erupted. Hey. Now, they can throw a whole bunch of big words at you and man, come on, man. The Most High made it so simple. The ish. I am. What? What? I am? Northern American Negro. Yeah. You busy? Come on, man. Walking on. Don True. No, Don. Oh, okay. Al Poco. I thought I had it. Hey. Fair use. Fair use. Okay. Couture. No, I don't want to do that. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make this video this long, but I didn't, I didn't want to yell at you and stuff. Hey, thank y'all. Thank you. Hold on. Wait. No. Hey, well, we see some dragons in this one too. But hey, don't let me forget. But thank y'all. Thank you, man. If you even watch me for 30 seconds, thank you. Thank you. It's going down. He's about to give his crown back. He's about to give his crown back to the Most High. He's about to give his crown back. He's about to give his crown back. Oh. Just simply beautiful. Man, I could stare at that all day and blow my horn. Hey, to let my kids asleep. But, yeah, baby. Every Sabbath, I start the new moon and go from there. Cause I know the new month when the new moon. How else you gonna tell the new month? Ooh, yeah, boy. See, they popping off. Check. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh. Woo. Look at that. Oh. Whoa. It's right there. Oh, ooh. The dragons bring up the sun and make the sun go down. But Enoch told you that. I'll find it for you. But hey. This is this is this is amazing. Amazing. It's gonna give it back quick. But I gotta find it. I gotta find it for you. I gotta find it for you. In another video, you can see it real good. But the Most High give the son his crown when it comes up.